Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Forex.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in Forex.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Forex.com website. Now, once you're within the homepage, click on Accounts at the top section and then click on Login. Once you click on the Login button, you will be taken into your Forex.com homepage right away because you have not been signed out from your account. Now, if you wish to log out so that no one else can access your account, then click on the profile icon at the top right corner and you will find the Logout button right away. Go ahead and click on it and this will immediately log you out from your account on the Forex.com platform. And once you have been logged out, your account will not be accessible anymore. In order to log back in, you can go back to the Accounts tab and you will find the login section once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Forex.com website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.